The fully automatic duckbill cap capping machine is designed for high-speed screw capping across cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. It supports a wide range of closures, including duckbill caps, pump heads, spray pumps, and trigger sprayers, without requiring part replacement. With simple adjustments, it adapts to various bottle formats and cap types within a diameter range of 518-70 mm, integrating automatic cap sorting, placement, and servo-driven tightening. This machine delivers stable, efficient performance and is ideal for multi-format packaging lines.